Hello there, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have a FireTV Stick 4K. Comes with Alexa, 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Dolby Vision, quad core, and Wi-Fi. All the things you can do with it, all the different things it has on it, what's included in the box, and what's needed. Here we have an easy open tab. Let's open this up. Here's the charger, the charging box. Here is the Fire Stick, and here is the remote. Here are two AAA batteries. The HDMI connector. This is different things that you can do with it. These are the instructions on how to install it. And here is the charging cable. That looks like that's all. Thank you for watching.